Tonight, we presented African Americans in Labor, Dare to Dream, a Black History program for Wake County Public Schools. We had students from 8 areas in our district and faculty and staff who formed a gospel choir. So we showcased the many talents of our students, performing arts as well as visual arts.
It means a lot to me to be able to express and show what my culture has done in American history, and show how not only people who look like me, but people of all cultures in America have both influenced arts, but also spoken word and different crafts that will be shown here tonight. There's been a lot of work, a lot of running from the technical theater team here at Ligon Middle School, a lot of running by, of course, Dr. Janine Perry-Campbell, and a lot of just juggling, trying to get everybody here, getting rehearsals, making sure everyone's in their spots. But, you know, just because we're doing it for a great cause, I believe everything works for the greater good, and that's what happened tonight.
It's important for us to do events like this so we can showcase all of the talents of our students. We heard yesterday in Dr. Taylor's State of the School address that knowing me and seeing me is very important for our students, and seeing them perform, seeing their passion, seeing them live out their dreams on stage, they all deserve to be seen and known and all of their talent showcased.